and I'm studying T-level health. This is my 3rd year. I've been here 2 whole years. It was proposed to me by one of my teachers, and the way they explained it was really appealing, and the experience I get on the course is much like the industry life. It was rated the #1 college in London, and it was the only college that I was accepted at that caught my eye. Fun, entertaining. The assignments are quite heavy on, but they're not draining, if that makes sense. At the moment, I've just applied for paramedic science, and I'm gonna carry the knowledge from West Thames with me on my journey to become a qualified paramedic within the London Ambulance Service.